Today is September 7th, and I look a mess, but your girl is going to get her hair done. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's been a while for a very long time, aka the Jerry curl, aka curl reformation as they call it now. I am going to get that. I have been doing my research and I have been natural for a minute now, but I don't know, I'm just not a fan of how my natural curl pattern is, and it is way difficult for me to manage. Yes, my hair is 100% more healthier, but I just need something that's going to work for me. So please do not shame me in the comments. It is what it is. I'm not the only one in America, but hey, I'm doing it. So yeah, like, I know a lot of people, well, people have came up with different ones. I know there's like this lady that came up with the Gina curl. I've been following her. There's like Design Essential has a curl reformation product or line or whatever. There's like a Wave Nouveau, whatever. They have one. It's plenty of them out there, but today your girl is going to get one. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. I know it won't be the exact like curl pattern and things like that, but I just need something so that way I can wear more wash and goes, because right now my wash and goes are unsuccessful. My twist outs, they're cool, they're okay. I've tried plenty of products, but I'm still not getting the look, I guess, that I'm wanting. So like, once again, do not shame me in the comments. It is what it is. It's my head. It's just hair. Like, it's just hair. So I'm going to go with it. Probably get a little trim, because I think I do need a trim, but overall, let's go, guys. Okay, so this is Sandrea. She's going to be doing my hair today. And what are we doing, Sandrea?
Today we're doing a Wave Nouveau. We're going to...
You talk. I'm listening.
Alter Asia's curl pattern. That's all. She just wants a different type of curl pattern on her natural hair. So we'll do Wave Nouveau.
So let's see how this turns out. Wish me luck.